In this video, I will show you how to use a sewing machine safely and correctly. Make sure the power is on. The on button for the sewing machine is at the right hand side, just the little switch you can see. Then the foot pedal needs to be carefully placed on the floor under the table. Here you will see the needle. This is the presser foot. And here, just tucked away at the back, is the presser foot lever. This is lowered, as you can see, just with your fingers. See the presser foot lowering just there. Here you've got your speed control. You've got a selection of different stitches, and these can be altered with the plus and minus button at the top. The button on the left alters the size of the stitches, and this is the gaps in between the stitches. There you'll see the hand wheel. This can be turned, which in turn lowers the needle. Again, there is a foot pedal tucked under the desk. And now you'll notice there are two threads. We have a spool thread, which on this one is white, and a top thread, which is green. Before we start sewing, we need to make sure there are two threads, and they are pulled long, as you can see on the video. We place our fabric underneath the presser foot, and then we'll lower the presser foot lever to clamp the fabric in place. You must not sew unless you've lowered the presser foot. It's a good idea to check it's the right position, then to turn the hand wheel towards you to lower in the needle. At this point, your foot can be placed on the foot pedal on the floor. This will make the sewing machine move. Always put your needle in each time you turn, and this will make sure you can pivot the material round, obviously leaving no gaps. Fingers are nowhere near the needle. You're just guiding the fabric through very gently. Now there's a special button. If you press that, the needle will always stay in, which just makes your sewing a little bit more efficient. Lower the presser foot again, foot on the foot pedal, and sew in a nice, neat, straight line. Each time you stop now, the needle will stay in, allowing you to raise the presser foot, pivot it round, lower it back down again. Now, once you're building up your confidence with these sewing machines, it is a good idea to practice straight lines and corners. Each time, raising presser foot, turning around the fabric and continuing. Once you've finished your sewing, you need to remove your fabric. To do this, raise the presser foot, press the button, the needle will raise, pull out your work to the left. Take some fabric scissors and snip both threads next to your work. Check the threads are pulled along for the next person. Turn off the power and return the foot pedal back on top.